So the thing to understand is what you're really looking for is not something to believe. What you're trying to understand is where in your life does choice lie in terms of deployment of your energy, and where in your life are things happening that are actually real, that are really happening. And so the way to sort this out is by the energy flows. And don't make it complicated. What's the energy flow? It's the sun rising, the sun setting. If it blocks the sun and creates a shadow, guess what? It's real. If it soaks up the rain and makes a plant grow, it's real. If it kills the plant, it's real. So you need to look at these things, look at energy flows. And some people like to talk about money. Okay, that's an energy flow. If what's going on is lowering the money in your bank account, that's not an act of nature. It might be real, but it's something that maybe you can make adjustments or tweaks to work around. It's not something that's inevitable. But you really want to focus more on the level of energy flows. And so what about the present situation? The situation. Well, lucky for you, I live in a neighborhood and I walk around my neighborhood. I would suggest you walk around yours too. Even if all you can do is walk around the block, that's good enough. So I walk around the block at least once a day, every day, without fail. I walk around the block. And so the first year I lived here, it was in this particular location. There was no pandemic, but there were 3 ambulance calls. In other words, ambulance showed up in the neighborhood, and 1 death. That's the first year. Then the next year was the situation, the pandemic. Guess what? There were no ambulance calls and no deaths. So this is an area I walk around, which is about 100 people. So while this is no scientific study, and I suggest you not rely on scientific studies, but again, your eyes and your experiences and your observation, and you're looking for energy flows. Sunrise, sun setting, rainfall, plants growing, plants dying, people being born, people dying. That's what you're looking at. And so during the pandemic, we had 1 birth, no deaths. Before the pandemic, we had 3 ambulance calls, 1 death, and no birth. Now, you might say that that's not a statistical difference. But that's the point. There's no evidence of a biologically active process going on that's deteriorating anybody's health. That is the point. So just by walking around my neighborhood, looking out my window, I can over time, figure stuff out. I don't need a microscope. I don't need a scientific specialist. It's sorted. So these things you can sort out yourself, and you can use that particular process. And even with your health, you can do something. If you feel better, maybe it's a good idea. Do a little more of it. If you feel worse, then hold off on that for a bit. And just that little simple approach will move you ahead so far and so quickly.